G'day everyone, the Global Surveyor. I'm out here at Blaxland today, up in the Blue Mountains, undertaking a survey at the shopping centre. And I'm looking for a survey mark here, a PM, a permanent survey mark. Well, thankfully I've got a Leica GS18 and I can put the coordinates in to the GPS and stake out the point. You can see someone over here has left a yellow dot, which is a traditional surveyor's marking. I've got some yellow paint here just to say that the survey mark is there. Well, I've had a bit of a look. I'm normally, what I'm looking for is like a cover box, like a hydrant steel box, and inside that is a survey pin. Well, unfortunately there is no box. I found the mark because I was able to stake it out with my Leica GS18. What we've got left is a bit of concrete and the steel pin that's really worn. So I'll be taking a measurement right to the center of that. It still seems to be okay, but that's all I can do. So if you're up here in Blaxland and you're on the corner of View Street and Hope Street and looking for a PM, you can see the yellow dot there. And I'm going to put a yellow dot on the curb here because no one's done that now, which I'll do right now. A little yellow circle, which is a traditional surveyor's way of showing it as a survey mark. And we've got steel pin here. So going over to my controller, and it's my number, point number 22. If I dig out my survey plan, it's PM 35067. So if you're looking for that, that's what it is, a steel pin left in a piece of concrete in the nature strip on View Street, Blaxland. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, follow the channel, share any of the videos, ask me a question, and see you next time.